Candles, fibs, crosses, EMAs. It's the tools of the day trade. Don't be a noob and trade on websites that don't give you BitBoy bonuses. Click the link in the description to get set up on ByBit or Femex and get an insane sign-up bonus for being part of the BitSquad. Leverage trade responsibly, but do it the right way on Femex or ByBit. Bonus details in the links below.
BitBoy Crypto Morning TA. Good morning, everybody. It's October 29th, 2021. My name's Piano Matty B. That is Scaramucci's, and this is your Morning TA. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni bringing the data. The FOMO index has ticked up to 70 from yesterday's 66. Bitcoin dominance is at 44.1%. The 24-hour volume is at 157 billion, and the overall market cap is 2.6 trillion. Give or take 100 million. Well, we said yesterday that we wanted price action to high-five the 50 and come back down to the 20 and test it and tell off that bar owner. And that's what happened. So after it did just that, I thought, well, now's probably as good a time as any. Go pick up my waterbed from the waterbed repair shop. And egads, a flash crash down to 57 and back before I could even fill up my waterbed. The Bitcoin chart is like an Indiana Jones movie, where you step on the wrong rock, a poison dart shoots at you out of nowhere, then everything goes back to normal, like nothing even happened. We said price action would test the 20, then go back up to 63, and she topped out at 62.6. Since then, we've been playing monkey in the middle with the 20 and the 50. And seeing as though DJ Expired Options will be playing his sold-out show at the abandoned Cinnabons by the airport today, expect some volatility after the show. My off-chart gut feeling tells me that there may be a bear trap head fake, followed by a rally. And once that rally starts, should take us up to all-time highs by Sunday. Well, Piano Matty B, are you going to make a ladder of eternal all-time highs, or are you just going to sit there and look fancy in your hat? Let's make a ladder. Thanks for asking. First stop on the ladder of eternal all-time highs is the Rodney Dangerfield matinee, the Yuck Yucks, and the Adirondacks. At 61.4, and at this point, we've seen Rodney's shows so many times, we can basically lip-sync the punchline, so we should break through the 50 quite easily. Next stop is our first wick of Eastwick at 62K. Nice round number to get the motor running, like a mimosa after a wraparound all-nighter. Following that is our second wick of Eastwick at 62.4. And yes, the old wives' tale of that which once wicked will get candlestick does play out in the opposite way as well. After that, we'll have a quick dance at 64.3. Now, this is like that girlfriend you can never remember going out with till you see her in public and you say, oh yeah, you do exist. We spend so little time with her, I'm not even sure what her last name is. But that's okay, because she doesn't want to talk to us as much, if not more, than we want to talk to her. Next stop is 65K. Another nice round number. The air starts to get thin up here as euphoria starts to blur your eyes. Tearing up, you see 66.3. And the frozen bodies of leveraged traders strewn about the trail. And as the clouds part, we see 66.9. You hear the faint hum of hallelujah, and your frozen eardrums and your radio back to the camp. You made it, but you get no answer, because they're at the Shiba after party flipping their profits into Doja. And yes, I know it sounds easy, and far at the same time, but it's neither. It's less than a 10% gain from here. And we in the crypto markets, we don't even have a word or symbol for 10% gain. It's not even in the crypto lexicon, so we have to say it old school styles, like we're talking about some 20th century legacy stock that has shot through the roof and 10% gain in a year, let alone a weekend. So remember, folks, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected lead. That's a dice roll snap. That's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. And it's the weekend. So sing me out. 3, 4. Ching, have a great weekend, everybody.